This is Pipay, our cute doggy. I don't know what she wants, but every time she sleeps, she wants to sleep under the chair or behind the chair. Now she's here beside the door. I love her so much because she is cute and cuddly. Pipay, can you please look at the camera? Isn't she lovely or cute? I'm sorry, but the camera is not clear. But as you can see, she's cute. Cute, isn't it? Pipay? What's this, Pipay? This is a curtain flowing over your face. Pipay, where are you going? Pipay. Her tail, so cute and soft, as if a cotton in texture. Pipay, hello cute. Why hiding? Please, face up. Face up, face out. Facial, face. Open your mouth and speak. Pipay. Hello. Hello, Pai. Hello. It's a shame to. Pipay, please.